Hi guys, Laura Hudson here, AFC Essentials, wanting to talk to you about our immunity kit. So I want to show you, if you forget, how to find these awesome kits in the back office. So when you log in, you'll go to the shop tab and you'll see these targeted wellness delivered, or go here to wellness programs, and then you can actually go to each individual. I'm going to click on this. And we can look at all of the wellness program kits that we've been talking about in our lives. We've got one left. I think the last one we're going to talk about next week is the mood kit, mind and mood, which is so important. But what I love about these, and you might have heard, is you end up getting special products in the kit, something that's different that you can't just order. You also end up saving money. Who doesn't want to save money? We get a discount on any kind of add-on that is part of that kit, if that makes sense. Let me show you. Let's look at this immunity wellness program. So this is important as we approach fall and winter. Kids are going back to school. We want to keep our immune system strong. So let's do things that actually help us with that. So our immunity wellness program gives us so many options and actually some things you might not have thought would help your immune system. So in the program one, which I will click on, let's see if it lets me do that. I love this because you actually get the On Guard, sorry, this little video thing's in my way. I'll move this. But good thing you guys can't see that. Okay, Immunity Wellness Program 1. This gives us the On Guard dental floss, which you can't normally buy, so super cool, right? And in this we have the Protective Blend 15 ml, the hand sanitizing mist, the foaming hand wash, Purify Wild Orange, and we get the exclusive gift of the dental floss. So let me tell you how I would use all of these products to keep your immune system strong. Starting with the On Guard Protective Blend in the 15 ml bottle. This is great to have to diffuse through your house. We actually diffuse this sometimes even at night, but I love just to have this going. It's one of my favorite scents, the On Guard, and it's just really great to keep that immune system strong. We want to support that healthy immune system. The hand sanitizing mist, no brainer here really. Keep this in your purse, keep this in your car. I have one in my purse and one in the car, and that way if I get back in the car and I want to use it, say after grocery shopping, or before I start grocery shopping, I spray the handle and use like a tissue in my purse and wipe it off. So this is a great product to have. The foaming hand wash, one of my favorites. You could obviously, if you didn't know, you can make your own hand soap with Castile soap, On Guard, and water, and just use any foaming hand pump. But I have to admit, I love the hand soap that we have. It's just pre-mixed, ready to go. You can add some water to it if you want to cut it a little bit and make it last longer. But sometimes in the fall and the winter, I like to use it straight because let's just really make sure we clean our hands well, right? I love this because we don't have unhealthy things in there like the triclosan and so forth. Just a really good product that you can enjoy using and keeping your family safe from all the ickies out there. And Purify. This is one I would not have thought about using. I think of it as cleansing and removing odor. I wouldn't think about using it to boost the immune system, but it actually does. So let's take a look at what's in Purify, if I can find it real quick. But this is an oil that has some different, it's a blend that has some different oils in it. So one I know that's in it is cilantro. So it has a bit of a different smell, but my husband loves it. It does definitely smell better than a lot of nasty odors out there. So main ingredient, lemon, Siberian fir, citronella, lime, melaleuca, or the tea tree oil, and cilantro. So one use I've been using this for is bug bites. Even using it to prevent bug bites with that citronella. I just have various oils sitting by the door and I'll grab one, put some on me and the dog before we go out some evenings, and it really does help. So, but it's really good to kill germs and microbes. You can diffuse it in the air or fill it in put it in a glass spray bottle with some water and spray it on your surfaces and wipe it clean. So we have to love our Purify. And wild orange actually is one of the oils in our On Guard blend. So this is a great one to add to your water daily. So again, use the On Guard oil at night on the bottoms of your feet, in the morning on the bottoms of your feet, diffuse through the day, use your hand sanitizing mist throughout your day, the foaming hand soap through your, in your home. Use that wild orange, put a drop or two in your water in the morning in a glass, right? No plastic, no styrofoam. And then Purify, this is a great one to diffuse, a great one to apply to the bottoms of the feet as well. Apply straight on bug bites if they're not in overly sensitive areas, and this will stop your itching, which is awesome. So Immunity Kit 2 comes with On Guard soft gels, On Guard beadlets, On Guard hand sanitizing mist again, grapefruit, tea tree, and the mouthwash. It's a mini mouthwash, and the exclusive gift is a tongue scraper. So I love this set too because I personally love the soft gels. I love the beadlets. When we want to stay healthy, when we want to come at it from all angles. So if I feel like I went to my high school reunion this weekend, so up later, around different people, so I am keeping my immune system strong, doing some additional efforts to keep myself healthy before and after the event. So again, use your grapefruit in the morning in your water. This is great just to get the toxins out of our fat cells. Again, helps just to keep us healthy. Tea tree along the spine is a trick I learned a long time ago and is so good for overall health. And I have to say, I love our mouthwash. I've talked to many customers who have really had amazing results. If you have any issues with your teeth, gums, obviously go to your dentist, right? We got to take care of our teeth, keep them clean. But this mouthwash I've seen do amazing things above all others to really help keep and get that mouth healthy. Our Immune Kit 3 has our Breathe 5 ml. On Guard Touch, which is really handy because you don't have to worry about diluting it so much. Hand sanitizing mist, looks like you get 2 of those, pretty cool. Frankincense Touch, oregano, 5 ml. 30 count of the veggie caps, Stronger 10 ml, which is a roller. And then we have the On Guard hand sanitizing wipes, which is the exclusive gift, and sanitizing mist holder, which is super cool. So I love this Kit 3 because we have a lot of things that continue to support the immune system. We have the oregano, which is great to put in the veggie caps. That's a great way to keep that immune system strong. Our Stronger roller is our kids' version for immune boosting and support, but sometimes adults love to use those as well. So that's really great. I love that you can get the On Guard hand sanitizing wipes in this. These are something we can't order, but I'm assuming this is maybe a mini version, so it's nice to get that. And then our exclusive gift, which is our hand sanitizing mist holder. So this is handy because you can clip your hand sanitizing mist to your bag, which is really cool. I did want to touch back on this tongue scraper. This is something I actually talk about with my health coaching clients. Getting the tongue clean can help with so many things. Obviously, we're talking immunity here, so we're wanting to remove any germs, grime, whatever, but it does keep our breath fresh, and it helps us to taste our food better. So this is kind of a fun add-on gift in month 2. So I just wanted to touch on those. Let's see if it shows a picture of, so here is month 1 with a tongue scraper, the mini, month 2, excuse me, the mini mouthwash, On Guard soft gels, and On Guard spray. Beadlets, grapefruit, and tea tree. Month 3, again, we have these hand sanitizing wipes. Look at this cute little On Guard, spray holder. And so these are all great oils to use for immune system and immune health. So we just are really wanting to focus on keeping that immune system strong as we transition to this new season, right? Going into fall, let's stay healthy. If you have any questions, I'm definitely happy to help. If you want to know, hey, what do I need to add to my cart? And I didn't talk about the add-on items. Let's see what those are. Okay, I'm going to go back to sharing my screen. Check this out. So you can get an additional bottle of On Guard soft gels and save $6. So instead of $26, it's $20.80. Copaiba, again, great for the immune system. Normally $32, $25.60 when you add that on. Check this out, Melissa. Instead of $115.60, it's $92. That is a powerhouse for immune system for sure. On Guard beadlets, instead of $16, it's $12.80. Turmeric duo caps, instead of $35, it's $28. And then you can get the Lulu's diffuser, which I have yet to try, but maybe I need to get that one. I just so love the Petal 2.0 and the Lumo that I just haven't had a need to get one of these. But instead of $42, you pay $33.60. So it's just really nice to get these kits. And just to remind you, we have so many new kits, or so many kits available compared to what we did. And who knows, we might get some new ones come a convention which starts, I believe, next week. So Relief Kit, Immunity Kit, Mind and Mood, Sleep, and Respiratory. So next week we're going to talk Mind and Mood. Sorry about my yawning. Like I said, I had my high school reunion this weekend. It was a long but fun weekend. Let's look quickly at some of these specials we have available that aren't always available. So Citrus Bloom Hand and Body Lotion. I love this. It smells so good. I actually use this at night. I rub it on my feet, my hands, my arms. I just love to have that smell as I fall asleep. The hand wash smells great as well if you want a different scent other than the On Guard. Get the Citrus Bloom. We still have our Ancient Oil collection, which is awesome. So you might want to check that out. But this month we had a surprise. We got Harvest Spice sooner than anticipated. And we also have the Summer Citrus Duo, which is red mandarin and yellow mandarin. So you really want to check this section out. Again, go to shop and special offers. So that is it, guys. I wanted just to thank you for watching. I hope all is going well for you. August is coming to a close rather quickly, and I just really can't believe it. So congrats again to Glinda for being our LRP Love winner for this month. Next month, we have another awesome prize. So watch for that and get those orders placed on or before the 15th to be entered to win. And you guys create a great day and a great week. Bye, guys.